Hello guys, good morning from us here. Today is actually a very bright, wonderful day. As you can see guys, we have here a 2024 McLaren 720S with just 95 miles. So the car is basically brand new. As you can see guys, we're about to load the car into the container. We already have 2 cars in there. This container is taking just 3 cars without any personal effect or consignment, without any personal effect. The first car there is a 2020 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Why this right here, I'm not sure about the year, but it's a BMW 330i, as you can see. Then the third car coming into this container is this McLaren 720S. Car is basically brand new with just 95 miles. 95 miles in it. 95 miles. So they were about to put it in. I just told them to hold on, so I just make a quick video to show you guys. It's just a quick loading, no personal effect, just 3 cars. So this is how the interior looks. This is how the interior looks. Let me rev it a little so you guys could hear how it sounds. That's it. Alright guys, I just wanted to make a very quick one. The guys are pretty much in a hurry, so just decided to do about a 60-second video to just show you guys what we got today. Yesterday we actually did 1 container carrying a 2016 Ford Edge, 2018 Highlander, 2018 Camry, and I think a Hyundai, if I'm not mistaken. So I was just really busy yesterday, so I couldn't hop on a video, on a live stream video for you guys. But today I got a little bit of time on my hands, so I decided to hop on this one to just show you guys real quick what we got today. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, and follow Demso Autos for the best deals. I need to actually get to work, so I'll be out. I'll have to see you guys in the next one. Just like I said, I wanted to hop on a quick video to show you guys what we got today. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Do have a good day. Bye for now.